Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add bullets in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. And there, that's how it looks like if you'll open your Microsoft Word. Now, since we are going to add bullets, make sure that you click the home option first, and then right after, hover your cursor under paragraph. There's an option for bullets. So, for you to add bullets on your page, just click that one, and there it will automatically be inserted on your page. Always remember, if you won't enter any word or letter in every bullet you'll add, it will be removed once you'll click enter. Let's try this one. Since I did not place any word or letter, if I'll click enter, the bullet will be removed. Now, how do we make the bullets continue? Now, let's try to insert it again. Now, enter a sample word and then click enter right after. Then, hello there, world. So, all you have to do for the bullets to continue, just make sure to enter a letter or word or a sentence as well. So that's how you add bullets in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you in my next videos, and bye for now.